Hello everyone, my name is Kausalya. I'm from Bankia Satya. Metric number is T20201093869. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to explain about market equilibrium. Let's see the definition of a market. A market brings together producers who are willing and able to supply the goods and consumer willing and able to purchase the goods. So a market is a place where producers and consumer meet. Market equilibrium refers to a situation where quantity demanded is same as quantity supplied, which means that demand is equal to supply. So in this situation, there is no change in price or quantity. So we say that market clearing price have been achieved. Next, so this is the market equilibrium graph. So this blue line is the demand curve and this straight line is supply curve. So when demand and supply intersects, so this is the equilibrium when the demand and supply meets. So this is the equilibrium price and this is the equilibrium quantity. So this is the table for price, quantity demanded, quantity supply and market position. So now let's see the graph for this table. So this market achieved equilibrium at the quantity 13 and the price is 3. So the equilibrium price is 3 and the equilibrium quantity is 13. At the price 5, quantity demanded is 8 and quantity supply is 18. So this shows that the quantity supply is more than quantity demanded. So in this situation, surplus occur, which is also called as excess supply. At the price 1, the quantity supply is 3, whereas the quantity demand is 23. So in this situation, it shows that quantity demanded is more than quantity supply. So shortage or excess demand occurs at here. So this means that the product is demanded more by the consumers, while the suppliers only supply a little amount of that product. In this surplus situation, in order to achieve equilibrium price and quantity, some firm will want to cut the price because it is better to sell at a lower price than not to sell at all. This price reduction will in turn stimulate a higher quantity demanded. Whereas in this shortage situation, this price increases will stimulate the quantity supply and reduce the quantity demanded. As this occurs, the shortage will decrease. The price will rise until the shortage is eliminated and the quantity supply equals to quantity demanded. In other words, the market will be in equilibrium again. Steps to examine changes in equilibrium. So first, we need to determine whether the event shift the demand or supply curve. Next, we need to determine the direction of the shift and then determine how the shift changes the equilibrium. So let's see an example. So the event is advance in technology. So we need to determine whether advance in technology shift the demand or supply curve. So advance in technology will lead to increase in productivity of the firm, and this will cause the supplier to produce more product easily at lower cost. So this shows that increase in supply. So now we need to determine the direction of the shift. So increase in supply will make the supply curve to shift to the right. So then this will cause the changes in equilibrium. So this is the new equilibrium after the supply curve shift to the right, and this is the new price equilibrium, and this is the new quantity equilibrium. So when supply curve shift to the right, this will cause the price to decrease and the quantity increase. Thank you.